your queen of hearts. When everyone folds, your fork still holds your place in your bed, showing no regret. Close your eyes to hide your lies, roll the dice. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invincible fence, letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft. You're playing it cool, bending all the rules, talking way too loud, and you're talking rude. You're playing a game, driving me insane. Your heart is back, and it's a fact, no turning back. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invincible fence, letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft. When I use my witchcraft. Come on. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invincible fence, letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft. When I use my witchcraft. I got my moves, I got my song. When I turn my mojo on, I'm feeling fine, I'm feeling strong. It won't take long when I use my witchcraft. When I use my witchcraft. Watch me use my witchcraft. I'm gonna use my witchcraft. I'm gonna hit the beach in the sunshine. Cheap sunglasses looking so right. Hitting the streets in my old man Chevrolet. Looking for a good time and then some. Kick it with my friends in the hot sand. I got a song blasting by the Zac Brown band, yeah. Got a case of cold beer. Ain't gonna last long here. I'll pick my friends up at the pier. They're all like kicking it high, kicking it low, making noise like a big truck show. Raising hell is the way to go. Yeah, we're kicking it fast, kicking it slow, bouncing around like a rodeo. Bad girls wanna rock and roll. Yeah, we're kicking it. Getting
I'm so pumped for tonight, legends.
in the bed of my big truck, waiting on the right heat on the barbecue. Big old wave.
I just hope like nothing goes wrong with the live stream. No amateur hours tonight, people. None. Nada. Let's not have any.
Yeah, the bar at the beach sells margaritas in the big shelves. Let's all go crazy, baby. We're all like kicking it high, kicking it low, making noise like a big truck show. Raising hell is the way to go.
if there is any amateur hours, we've been blaming it on you.
Kicking it slow, bouncing around like a rodeo. Bad girls wanna rock and roll. Yeah, we're kicking it. Everything's alright. It's a small town summer night. Oh yeah, and I feel love. Kicking it.
You know it's going to go downhill because insurance dropped into the chat. God damn it.
Kicking it high, kicking it low, making noise like a big truck show. Raising hell is the way to go. Yeah, we're kicking it fast, kicking it slow, bouncing around like a rodeo. Bad girls wanna rock and roll. Yeah, we're kicking it. We're kicking it.
Oh my gosh, I'm in such a freaking good mood tonight, team, and I don't even know why. Probably because I had a really good day yesterday, shooting people with airsoft, which was ace. It's really, really important that during the bear market you go and do stuff that you love doing, and then when it's the bull market, you stay at home 24/7 and you watch the charts and watch your money coming in. Obviously, we can't do that because we've got full-time jobs, but legends, mental health is really, really important. You've got to do stuff, not just worry about the crypto market that it's going literally. If in doubt, zoom out is what people tell me, and I'm zooming out and going, holy crap, it doesn't look great at all. It doesn't. So go and do stuff that you love. All right, go and do stuff that you enjoy doing. If you're in crypto and you're hodling, you're not going to be in a great mindset. If you've bought the 2-hour cross, it is what it is. We'll see what happens. If it doesn't play out, then we sell. It's really, really not a big deal. You'll notice that I did drop in 300,000 hot when we got a bullish cross or a golden cross on the 2-hour. And I think now we've been running that cross with hot on the 2-hour since, when did we do it? The 25th of June. So it's now been running for 2 days. And we've got that golden cross. So we've bought in. Yes, I am slightly down at this moment in time, but we're not having any kind of bearish sentiment as of yet. We've touched that 200, the 200 EMA, and we're just getting a bit of a tightening between this 255 at this moment in time. So look, this is how you play the game. You buy the golden crosses and you sell the death crosses. It's really, really simple maths. So let's just play with that for the time being. And it's a really, really safe way to play during the bear market, because this could actually take off and us get another 20 or 30% off the back of it before we come back down for a correction. So please just stay chill and look, if I'm going to tell you information, not financial advice, give you information, etc., on the crypto space, it's only right of me to actually put those actions to practice and show you. So that's what I do. And I did post on Twitter, legends. If you do follow me on Twitter, if you don't follow me on Twitter, why are you not following me on Twitter? So if we go to the news here, there it is, golden cross, 2-hour for hot. Let's get some dollar. And I purchased 300,000 hot. So look, this is how I'm going to.
Nothing. You lose. Good day, sir.
I don't even know who sent that, but I'm pretty sure exclamation mark lose would be one of two people. It is either going to be Insurin or Butterscotch. It'd be one of you two. Oh, it could be Martin. No, I'm going to go because I don't think Butterscotch is here yet. So I'm going to go with Insert. I'm going to place my bets with Insert. Who was it? Who the freak was it that said lose? Damn it! It was Butterscotch! Oh my god, the freaking legend! Damn it, I can't believe it! Oh, I knew it was one of you two. Gutted. Why didn't I just go with freaking Butterscotch? I'm gutted. No! Butterscotch pale. Right, who have we got in the freaking house tonight? I don't know why I keep clapping. It's just obviously a thing that I've picked up. We've got Peter Pan, the legend that is Peter Pan. What's going on? Peter Pan, you freaking legend. Eurocon, Insurin, of course, Vanaleswa, Warren, i.e. Holococo. We'll have a look at your channel in a second, Holococo, because we should be getting close to that 2,500 subs now, surely. Or is it 3,000? Can't remember. Jonny Stang Crypto is in the house. Holochain Fraser, some more Peter Pan, Van Leswer, Eurocon, more Holochain Fraser. Let's calm it down, Holochain Fraser. I can imagine that we all go for our night out, which is going to be around about September time in the UK. And Holochain, we're all sat there, and Holochain Fraser's just like blah 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 blah, and we're like, oh my god, seriously, this guy ever gonna show up? I'm joking, mate. You're awesome. There is Martin, the legend. Some more Eurocon. Tajani Kunamo, what's going on, brother? Heather is in the freaking house. Yeah, boy. Morris, you're in. Reserve Rights Ranger, legends. What's going on? Great to see you. Can you say Nuken in the Kuken to the Fed? Honey, you are my idol, Balotelli here. Oh, Balotelli, you legend. Butterscotch, I'm gutted. I'm freaking gutted. Slick Sumos and Faru, what's going on? More Butterscotch. So actually, what is going on in the chat? Champ, ho ho ho, whoop, Peter Pan, hi Johnny, yep, good evening. Future millionaires from Van Lesper, yes, of course. Yo, good evening. You know what there will be anyway. Yeah, that's for the amateur hour. Van Lesper, yes, isn't. Yes. I'd like to know how I've got this bad reputation just because I wanted Phoenix Knight, bro. As soon as you come in, you set your expectations and it doesn't change, all right? I see you for 1 hour, 2 hours a night. So it's not a long time, is it, on a live stream? But there you go. And until we actually meet in person, my perception might change. But your choice of music is crap. Simple as that. There's no other way around it. Balotelli. Great to see you, Balotelli. If Balotelli's in the house, then things must be bullish. Yes, I can say Nuken in the Kuken. I said it. Wonka said it. Very good enough myself. Van Lesser, we legend from day one. Shout out to Van Lesser. Yes. Back in the day when we had just a few people in the chat. So here we go. We don't want you now, dear. We don't want you. Okay, let's just start with Bitcoin, because I think it's really, really important that we talk about Bitcoin, because when I last saw you, we created not the big triangle, but the smaller one on is it going to be easier to see it on the 15-minute? I think it is. Maybe not. Yes, it is. Okay, so when I last saw you, which was a long freaking time ago, we had this triangle here, and this triangle represented a bullish breakout. And that bullish breakout was going to take us to, let me just bring the line out, here and then here. So this bullish breakout was going to take us to this $22,250. That was the plan, okay? So we was probably around about here, I think, when we created this, and I did these little squiggly lines, and a little breakout, and then a breakout to the upside. And it followed it absolutely perfectly. I was really, really impressed with my technical analysis, if I'm honest. Usually I'm not very impressed. I think it's very, very predictable. But this one was massively not predicted. It wasn't predicted at all. And we haven't actually reached the 22,250 target that I thought we was going to reach, sadly. So what does that mean for Bitcoin right now? Well, we had to then look at the bigger picture because we came and we hit some sort of invisible support line. Okay, let's have a look to see what is going on. So that is why we created this bigger picture triangle, which I'm hoping now is going to fully respect it. I did think that this was going to lead us down back to the $19,332 mark, but I do think now that we have, because we've wicked down with Bitcoin and we hit a very, very strong level of support here, we could actually see over the next, what's that, 6 or 7 days, the next week, we could actually start to see an upward momentum, which would get us our at least 10 or 15% bullish cross movement with HOT. So that's what I'm hoping for. We are in this void right now, these void triangles. I don't like them. They're very, very unpredictable. And I think that we are, in my opinion, going to follow this up because Bitcoin has now reached a point where we are starting to hit a little bit of a roof line and it wants to test it. It's only testing it briefly before coming down. 1, 2. Are we now going to try and hit a third one to see if we can get just a cheeky little bullish reversal? We are literally the lowest that we have been in such a long time. I mean, when was the last time that we was at this price here of 17,500? It was way back here. The last touch of 17,500 was on the 12th of December of 2020. Now then, what's really, really interesting is I think in order for Bitcoin miners to be profitable, they have to stay above 17K because of the cost of electricity. And we're seeing a drop off right now of the hash rate from miners. Miners are kind of shutting some of their businesses down because of the price of electricity right now across the world. As we know, it's increased by a third. And miners are really, really having trouble. So in order for miners to stay profitable, the price has to be above 17K. So are we actually roundabout where we need to be to consolidate? I think so. I think we're in a really, really strong position, in my opinion. And any kind of bullish momentum right now, and any kind of bearish momentum, should I say, right now below that 17K will be a real shock for me. So in terms of the end of the bear market, I'm going from the 15th of October and then counting 14 months. So you think right now we are in June? We've still got quite a bit of a long way to go before we actually get into that consolidation momentum right now. So us getting into a 300,000 hot trade, it is risky, but you don't know where the bottom is. I don't know where the bottom is. And I think with us now being 8 months into the bear market, we're kind of in a safe place. There are talks on the grapevine of recession, and you're thinking to yourself, why is that a good thing, Jonny Stang? Because when the governments say that there is a recession, we're already as low as we can possibly be. And what happens in a recession is that the stock markets and the crypto markets actually recover because we've kind of hit the bottom. So historically, if you're in investing and the government talk about recession, it's pretty good, all right? I know it sounds crazy, but when it comes to crypto and stock market, if it's good, it's bad. And if it's bad, it's good. It's the only way to explain it. When things are going really, really good, you should be getting out of crypto. When things are going really, really bad, you should be getting into crypto. Once things start getting good, it's already too late, legends. So that, for me, in my opinion, 17K is a really, really good price. Not financial advice. Do what you like with your money. I really don't care. As long as you all become millionaires with me in the future. So that's 17K. I am happy to say, in my opinion, for my own portfolio, this was a very, very good price, and a cheeky little relief rally took us up to 18%. And if we move to the 2 hour and have a look at the 2 hour, Bitcoin is looking very, very strong indeed. We know that there is going to be a strong resistance here when we get that 200 EMA touch and try and break above it. Now, what's really, really cool is that altcoins are actually doing better than Bitcoin right now. So there is a lot of interest in altcoins, which I'm surprised about, all right? Because when it comes to altcoins during a bear market, you tend to ignore them because 90% of them will disappear. Look what happened to Solana. The amount of trust that Solana has right now is zero. Although people are putting money into Solana. Solana. What am I talking about? Luna, for frick's sake. Damn it, Funnel, I swear. And Insurin, both of you, I blame you for the amateur hour. Luna, I'm talking about freaking Luna. Yes. We know what happened with Luna and Luna dropping off. The trust is gone, but people are investing back into Luna Classic for some cheeky gains. It is what it is. I'm staying well away from it. I told you all to stay well away from it. It's not worth the risk. But if you have taken the risk, congratulations on your cheeky gains, you crazy mofos. Simple as that. So with HOT, what do I see happening with HOT? Well, you can quite clearly see that our 200 EMA has been an absolute pain in the butt to try and break through. There is multiple points where we've tried to get through and we just haven't. Look at all these touches here during the bearish momentum. Broke down, touched the resistance, and then came back down. Had another go, lost it. Had another go, lost it, and now we did have a bit of a breakout. And was that? No, it wasn't that cheeky 40%. Maybe it was. Yes, that was that cheeky 40%. Just wasn't strong enough. Okay, whereas now it is a real different sentiment in the market, and to the untrained eye, it means nothing to you. This up here means literally nothing to the untrained eye. But somebody that's been in crypto for quite a long time, this is really, really positive. And I want to show you why. So if we just zoom back and have a look at what happened during the bearish sentiment. So we was touching these resistant marks and couldn't get above it. Just touching it, bouncing straight down. Touching it, bouncing straight down. Look, even here, we touched it and broke out, but we broke straight through below. Up, broke straight through below, up, and then broke straight through below, up, broke straight through below. So what we're actually doing now is slightly different, because on the 200 EMA, here we broke up, came straight back down, but here we've broken out and we're actually touching that 200 EMA. Team, that is bullish, because that means that it's using now the 200 EMA as support. Okay, that's really, really important to understand. Strong resistance is 200 and strong support is 200, depending on which side of the 200 you are. If you're below it, it's strong resistance. If you're above it, it's strong support. So we're now testing 1, 2, 3, which is increasing the strength of that 200 EMA, meaning that we could actually see a nice big movement to the upside. What we've got right now is we do have a resistance wall above us, and that one is here. So we've got to keep an eye on this. This is really, really important. I'm going to use the wicks. Can you see how we're getting this tightening of the price right now? It really is having a tightening momentum, but it is bullish, okay? Because it is a descending triangle, which means that we could, around about 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, we might actually see a nice breakout. Look at how we're set up with the relative strength index. The relative strength index is low, legends. So it feels set up for a nice breakout to the upside. If we was doing the TA as accurately as we possibly can, and we did break out at, let's just say we broke out this morning. You wake up, you lot in the Netherlands at 6 a.m. and the price has come back up. It looks right, back up to that 2.492. I'm quite happy. Let's see if this happens. But can you see just how you get this tightening momentum? It tightens, it tightens, it tightens, and then it comes into this no man's land where relative strength index is currently almost oversold rather than in the overbought territory. If we was looking at an overbought territory, we would have the Van Leeuwenhoek Solana signal where it looks kind of like this, and you get this sort of momentum. Relative strength index is going to be up here, and then you get the breakdown. You see how this is different because you've got this tightening momentum. Relative strength index is down, and then based on historical data, it's looking bullish. Okay, so take it as you will. If you was investing in Holo, you should have done it there, because there is your bullish cross. Right now, I mean, you're in a pretty good position. I bought on the cross, I bought here, so I am in a little bit of a loss right now, but am I concerned about that? Not really. I'm not concerned about it, because a 2-hour bullish cross is a kind of a medium to long-term investment. On the 4-hour, legends, let's have a look at the 4-hour. We're nowhere near anywhere bullish on a super long-term investment plan. The 55 is still well below the 200. But what we've got is we do have this ranging momentum, which builds a lot of trust in the 4 hours for me, because we are now using, as opposed to us using, go away, red line, you freaking nightmare, as opposed to using the 55 as a level of resistance, we are now using the 55 as support and the 200 as resistance. So again, it's very, very, very bullish. If we get that bullish momentum that breaks us above that 200 EMA, can you see how we tried here and failed? If we can get that momentum with this kind of candle up here, so that we can stay as support on the 200, team, it's looking freaking good. I've just got an email from, ooh, what's this? I've got an email, team. What's this? Probably going to be a scam. It's probably a scam. Oh, they've just deleted it. Somebody was obviously watching me. That is ridiculous. Somebody sent an email saying that we're from a Roblox company, and then it just got deleted. Has it gone into the spam box? More. Junk. Yes, here it is, look. I get so much spam. Like, the spam is ridiculous. Let me show you my spam inbox. So this is from John Lennon. From freaking John Lennon. Hello, I am the commercial director of Roblox Corporation. We would like to offer you cooperation in advertising. We are willing to pay you $1,500 for a 30-second commercial at the beginning of your video. No, you're not. You're a scammer. We want to promote our project, Roblox Corporation. I get another one. Look, I just don't read them. Hello, I am Collider Craftworks NFT manager. But look at the emails. Atlas.cz. Atlas.cz. That's, I don't know what that one is. Online. Hello, we are goblins and we need your promotion. We are fast growing NFT. We are greedy and we want to be first position all the time. Oh, it just makes me laugh. Crypto manager. Oh, I got another one. We've got another one. Oh, another one. Gosh. Sir, I was wondering of you received my last mail I sent you a couple of days ago. I would like to have a personal discussion with you. No, thank you. Great day. I don't know what that is. That's boring. Hendrik. I'm Tracy P. Fowler. Can we get to know each other? Thank you, Tracy. Honestly, it's hard work being a first class celebrity. Oh dear. Dear, oh dear, oh dear. So, legends. What else do we know? What is going on in the crypto space? Ah, freaking swag, you legend!
Hi Holo fam, beer mugs.
Are you telling us to be a mug? Oh dear. So, a message here from Balotelli. Can you do next the RSR charts, please? Yes, we'll do the RSR charts. Why not? Peter Pan, 6 a.m. Not before 7:30. Maybe. But to start seems legit. Van Leswar, the email address is not suspicious at all. Does work with the $2.09. Thank you very, very much, sir. That's very kind of you. Any super chat is greatly appreciated to maintain the 24-hour live stream. Red line, go away. I can't even remember. Is it RSR? It is. It is. Right, RSR. Let's have a look. Oh, this is the 4-hour. Holy crap. Van Lesser, you've seen this? This is actually the 4-hour. Okay. I think I'm going to invest in some RSR. The price right now is 0.00875 for RSR. The RSI is low. The 4... I think it was just you, Holochain Fraser. Internet connection during a bear market is not great, is it? Right, team. What's the all-time high? Let's have a look. What is the all-time high? Holy crap. The all-time high was 11.890 cent. Van Leswer was the all-time high. And we've kind of followed RSR down. It's had a couple of false signals, to be fair, on the 4-hour. 1, 2, 3, but it's never had such a tight knitted breakout on the 4-hour here, giving you a second shot at that. Wow. Okay. Whew. Wow. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Right. So Balotelli is telling us that mainnet coming, Coinbase listing, and PayPal announcement and staking coming. That is very, very bullish. Now the price as well, it could be right. Balotelli, it costing me money, bro. But it's fine. It has to be done. It does have to be done. So let's go to RSR. RSR. Reserve rights. Buy reserve rights. And we are going to buy 30,000 RSR. £221. I think that's a pretty good purchase, if you ask me. Yeah, it's wicking down. 30,000 RSR. 30,000 RSR. Now, this could be actually quite good for the next bull market. Because if that goes to $1, Balotelli, can it go to $1? You know more about it than we do. Is it possible to go to $1? Open up CoinMarketCap right now. CoinMarketCap. RSR. It has a circulating supply of 14.8 billion. Nice. Nice. 14.8 billion. Really? Holy crap. I mean, the circulating supply, okay, but it's got it's only circulating supply is 15%. Interesting. Okay, that is something to keep an eye on, is the circulating supply of RSI, because it's 14.8 billion, but it actually has 100 billion total supply. Okay, so that's the big risk. If they start releasing more, then obviously the price is gonna stabilize, so it'll be harder to get to that at $1. So I always compare everything against XRP. You know this. So XRP has a circulating supply of 48 billion. So with XRP being the price that it is, which is 35 cents, the max supply of XRP is actually 100 billion. Holy crap. Okay, so if this actually becomes a legit token, we could actually start to see RSI quite possibly around that 35 cents, same as XRP, if you ask me. It's got potential. It's got potential, and everything that Balotelli is telling me, it looks good. It looks good. I'm not vomiting in this chat again. Now I have 22,000 RSI. I'm the bomb. Oh, that's work. You legend. Yeah, RSR looks very, very good. We could start actually. Hey. Now that we have zoomed out, we can actually see a floor. Here's the floor. There's the bottom. Maybe there. That's more like it, isn't it? That maybe look right because it's a bear market. That looks more like it. Yeah, I'm quite happy to take a 50% loss risk on this. Okay, so here's what I'm thinking. So my brain is currently working. So we could actually get a breakout. If we get a bullish reverse and we do get a breakout, we could actually see this going up to 1.8 cent. And I'd probably take profit here. And then the price could come down. And then I'd buy back in. And then it could come up here. You could take profit there. Could come like this. And then go like that. And then here. So those lines would be my, so I'll be buying here, 30,000 RSI, sell up here, wait for the price to come back down, because remember team, we are still in a bear market. You've got to remember that, but you still get bullish sentiments in a bear market, right? You do get what's known as relief rallies. So there is quite a possibility that we create this kind of momentum, right? That is quite possible. So being respectful with your money and being regimented to keep an eye on something like RSR, thinking, well, where is my ceiling and where is my floor? That's your ceiling, that's your floor. Okay, so if you are trading this, you've got to make sure that that you're not just hodling it, right? There will be hardcore hodlers like Balotelli. Balotelli is that hardcore RSI hodler. I'm not that guy, okay? Certainly not during a bear market and certainly not during a consolidation market. I am an opportunist, all right? I like to look at the 20% pumps, 25% pumps, and this one here would actually give us, holy crap, a 77% pump. I'm probably not looking at that to start with, maybe a 25% pump. So taking us to that 1.26 could be my first milestone. Remove half of my investment, and then if it does break out, remove the 100%, and then see if we do get a breakdown. You're not going to win 100% of the time, but it looks great. All right, descending triangle. We're seeing descending triangles happening. What we've also got as well is that if we do actually get rid of that triangle completely, we do have this ceiling. Can you see it there? Let me zoom it in so you can see it a little bit more clearly, because I can imagine you're all looking at your phones very, very closely right now. We have a 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. So getting into it now is, yeah, it's a higher risk because we've still got to break out above here. But look at this. 1.2 was my first profit taking.
Yeehaw!
Scared the living daylights out of me, Jurgen. Hey, great to see you, bro. So this could be a really, really good profit taking exercise. So with RSI from here up until now, look, it's nearly 20. That's 25%. If it was to break out now up until the 2nd of July, 25%, take your profits. I'll be quite happy with 25% of £220. Thank you very much. We're above the 55 EMA, so we're bullish on the daily, but the 4 hour, holy crap, holy shizmaballs, looks great. It looks good. Everything is telling me that it's right. So if you buy now, take your profit here on this descending line here. Just don't go for the crazy pumps. Stay humble during a bear market and you won't go too wrong. Right? If you sell at 25% or 20% and it goes to 30% or 50%, so freaking what? Right? You've made money and that's all that matters. Remember, you've got capital gains tax allowance free. It reset in April. So we've got a full year of whatever it is. Certainly in the UK, is it 12,500 tax-free profits? Not tax-free investment, tax-free profits. Right? It's capital gains. So if you put in $500, for example, and you get $600 back, your capital gain is $100. So you've got loads and loads of potential, legends. So don't let the taxman think that you've got 12,000 in 12 months because that's what you've been investing. No, it's capital gains. And also for the investments that you've lost, you can offset that against your gains. It's so freaking cool. So you've got a real big balloon. And remember, we're not going to hit the bull market until 2024. So you might as well get some cheeky 20% gains off the back of it. Balotelli, you freaking legend for bringing RSR to us. So just like what Balotelli said, or Reserve Rights Ranger, mainnet is coming, Coinbase listing and PayPal announcement and staking is coming. So it does look pretty cool. I obviously still will carry on doing my own research, but that's probably what I'm looking at to put in 30,000 RSR and go from there. Go from there, you freaking heroes. I got a text message from Vanaleswa. So, oh my gosh. So Vanaleswa has I don't know if you lot had the same thing, but there has been is that like a tornado or something that's happened in the Netherlands? Holy crap, this is really, really bad. So I do hope that you lot are staying safe in the Netherlands. I didn't even know you could get tornadoes in the Netherlands. That's ridiculous. Right. XRP. XRP is literally shafting me right now. But it's fine. It is what it is. XRP has gone from the 81 cent and it's come down to the 35. We're having a little bit of trouble trying to bounce above that resistance line, but I think it will do okay. All right, XRP will still do all right, and it's cheap. 35 cent XRP is ridiculously cheap. It was cheap at 81 cent, and it's even more cheaper now at 35 cents. So for every one XRP that you got in 80 cent, you can now get 2 and a bit at 35 cent. So so yeah, I'm really, really happy that XRP is cheap. Remember, my bottom for Bitcoin is around about 17k. So I am slowly starting to creep back into the crypto space and buying the dips. We're now touching the 55 EMA on the 4 hour with XRP. I'm just going to keep an eye on it. If we do get a relief rally pump, then I'll buy some. All right, I will buy some. But can you see how it has beautifully touched? Look, 1, 2, 3. The support, it's looking good. So last week I was extremely bearish. I told you that. I'm still freaking bearish in the crypto space. Now I feel a little bit bullish. I feel bullish. People are still in extreme fear, which is great because it gives me time to start rebuilding my portfolio, ready to make those incredible gains again in the future. But don't just go crazy with your investments. Just put a little bit in at a time. Slick Sumo, is it time to go shopping? Yeah, then yes and no, all right? It is like, right now, certainly in a bear market, it is like going to Vegas and betting your money on black or red, okay? There is no other way to explain that, because what you're doing is you're shooting the gun prematurely. You're jumping in before the end of the bear market. There's still nothing in the news that is positive when it comes to crypto. In fact, it is still extremely, extremely bearish, and I'll show you that. So retail, people in retail are like the snowflake generation. So what I mean by that is that they are over emotional. They don't even know how to load a dishwasher. They put petrol into their fuel tank when it's a diesel car. They don't know how to change oil on a car. They don't know how to replace a lock on a front door or a back door. You know, that kind of attitude to life, snowflake. So when it comes to crypto, people are extremely lazy. And the human psychology is really, really cool. I find psychology fascinating, and people are like sheep. People follow the crowds. I worked in a mobile phone shop called the Car Phone Warehouse, and I worked there for a long time, about 4 or 5 years. Long time for me to work in retail. And when the shop was dead, right, people would look in and never come in. When the shop was a little bit busy, it got rammed because there's this psychology of safety in numbers. Whereas I'm the opposite person. So what happens is that when people get to a till in a shopping centre in Asda or Tesco or Walmart or, I don't know, Frikandel Special in the Netherlands, you will find that when there's a few people at the tills, everyone rushes because they're thinking, oh my God, I need to get to the tills now or else I'll be stood here for ages. And they are stood there for freaking ages. All right, it's a psychological mind frick. Whereas what I do is I see that it's busy and I go to the back of the shop and think, okay, what other extra stuff do I need? And I think about what I need. It's usually donuts, Yes. So I'll go and grab some donuts at the back of the shop, have a steady walk back to the tills, and you will find the tills are empty. And it's great. It's awesome. That's how I live my life. I don't live my life in the fast lane. There is no point living your life in the fast lane. It's all about quality as opposed to quantity. So, I don't even know. Oh, yes. So the internet, okay? People are very, very lazy in the internet. And if we're getting this, why is a crypto crash different? Is Bitcoin just a scam? Price drops under the 21K. Electricity to mine Bitcoin plummets. This Bitcoin crash is different. Few signs of upward momentum as Bitcoin holds 20K. It's got like a bearish sentiment to it. So retail are not going to be interested, but investors are, okay? So that is why you're only going to get these 20 or 25% pump stages before it retraces back down, because the only people investing are investors. All right? Hardcore quality investors. And there aren't many of us. Whereas when it comes to retail are those people that will jump onto a moving train, hang on for dear life, all the way to the station, and it's just hilarious. And that's when I was making £6,000 a day. It was great. It was awesome. It's going to happen again. All right, bull markets come and go, and people think, oh, we're never going to see a bull market again. Frick off. You're going to see bull markets every 4 years of your life. Seriously, it's happened. Data going back to the 1940s. What makes you think that this is the last ever bull market ever? Go away. Bugger off. All right. So it's all about trying to catch the bottom. Holy crap. I have meeting in 10 minutes. Oh my God. But legends. I'm really, really enjoying tonight. I feel like I'm in great flow. Always bet on black. Passenger 57. Wesley Snipes. Flick Sumos. I see they're saying that some guy is almost sold out of his XRP. One of the creators. Okay, that's good. That is good. Yes, there's a guy that left. Has he really sold all of it? Fantastic. Because he had billions of XRP, and obviously it was going to, it's taken that long for him to sell out. I can't remember what his name now was, but he used to work for XRP and he doesn't anymore. Live your life eating donuts from Slick Sumo. So, legends, I had a really, really good weekend this weekend with Airsoft. So those of you that don't know what Airsoft is, I do have, I've posted a couple of cheeky stuff on the Discord. Where is it? Where is the Discord gone? Where's the freaking Discord gone? Oh yeah, here it is. Dragons! Oh my God, we got loads of messages. So here we go. This is Jonny Stang's new hobby. This is my MP7, and I will be videoing my experiences within Airsoft. So I have a 4K camera here. I have a scope cam which has a 25mm zoom, which is really, really cool. In here I've got a 5K GoPro Hero 10 with a Rode microphone to give you that high definition quality video recording. So there is going to be a new channel made, which I don't know what to call myself yet. There is me and another friend, a cop, that does it. So I'm thinking maybe we call ourselves Two Cops. I don't know. I honestly don't know. But this is a video of my tracer unit on the MP7, and it is absolutely wonderful. So here is me testing it. Yes! Oh my God! It's so awesome. I don't know what I hit then, but there was definitely a different sound. But yes, that is my tracer unit on the MP7, and I have a Glock. This is the Glock. Yes! The dog really doesn't care. Just shoot all day long. It'd be quite a good hunting dog, wouldn't they? So those of you that are interested about airsoft, I will be creating videos on a different channel, which I'll show you what that channel is. Where is it? Where is the channel? I did create a video. Where's the link? And I got criticised by Van Leswer, obviously, saying, "Why have you put that scope on it?" Blah, 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 blah. Holochain Fraser, you freaking legend!
Bigot for Johnny, hip hip hooray, and one for good luck, hip hip hooray.
Yes! Right, let's copy that and then post that to the Discord. I'll just send it to Van Leswer for now. Paste, send that to Van so that I can grab it. Such nonsense. Here it is. Right. Big screen, that bad boy. Holy crap, that is. Okay. No, let's open the link. That. See what happens when you're not prepared? How much of a nightmare it is trying to set screens up. This is why I need what the frick is that? This is why I need like a personal what's it called? A PA. Yeah, I need a PA. Post that. There we go. So this is Jonny Stang, some live footage of Jonny Stang taking out an infidel. Here it is.
Got him!
Yes! So you're going to be seeing plenty of videos to do with airsoft. I love it. It's great. I have a ridiculous loadout. And I'm going to get you all addicted to airsoft. So look out for the new channel. I'll be posting the new channel on this channel. I'm out on Sunday, so next week will probably be my my first real video of doing airsoft. But it's great fun. It is great fun. I get all sorts of different bruises. There's one where I got shot in my arm. Unbelievable. But look, that's what I say at the start of the video. Do stuff during the bear market that you absolutely love. Gold Bartley, that looks cool. It is cool, bro. It's really cool. Unless that's positive feedback. Finally, amateur hour. Screw you, man. Oliver Rasmussen, take your time. So yeah, there will be a new channel coming out, which is going to be an airsoft channel. So you'll just get double Jonny Stang. There's no point in me being here every single night. All right, there really isn't, because there's nothing really to talk about other than 2 or 3 times a week. I am away for the next couple of days. I'm down in Essex, and I'm going to be meeting up with Sam Turner actually on Wednesday. So no doubt, whilst we're having lunch, we might just run a cheeky little live stream just to see us both chilling together, having something to eat. But RSI is the one to keep. RSR is the one to keep your eye on right now, because on the 4 hour it has given a bullish cross signal. I'm going to bugger off. I freaking love all of you. Thank you so much for your support this evening, certainly from Deswerg and also Holochain Fraser. or the $6.30 from Holochain Fraser, and the $2.09 from Deswerg. And also for you lot having to put up with the ad revenue. I know it's a nightmare having to skip ads, etc., etc., but it really, really does help the channel. Like seriously, you don't understand just how much it helps. And running the 24-hour live stream is vitally important that we maintain it. Oh, the giveaway. Right, so the giveaway is going to be happening on Thursday. Thursday the 30th is going to be the $100 giveaway. And I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but we'll do something cool. We'll do something really good fun, really awesome. Yeah, we'll figure something out. We'll figure something out. But there's a $100 giveaway on Thursday. I'll put some advertising out on Twitter and also on YouTube so we can get loads of people in for a really, really good night. Instagram, thank you. I'm cycling Porto to Lisbon on Saturday, so may not be there for a week. Damn, that's amazing. Wow, that's a lot of miles. That is a lot of miles. Right, legends, stay out of trouble. Have a wonderful, wonderful couple of days. I'll see you on the live chat. Anybody that wants to contact me on said Discord. Oliver Rasmussen, it'll be the same time, 8 p.m. So up here, let me move myself. So up here, just wait until that gets to 20:00 and that's why you freaking legend for the $2.03 super chat. Love it. Thank you very, very much. And it's got a thanks with a love heart. Amazing. So yes, see you all 8 p.m. Thursday. We're going to be doing the giveaway. At what time, UK? Oliver Rasmussen. Yes, it is UK time. But obviously, there'll be a 24-hour live stream. So this clock, you can always refer to this clock up here. Just come on to the live stream on the CryptoBits, wondering what time it is. And there it is. Make sure it says 2000. I'll put an advertisement under here. So I'll do that now. Let's go to when live. Open that up. $100 giveaway. $100 giveaway. Thursday. 2000 hours. There we go. Does that help? I hope it does. If it doesn't, I'm sorry, there's nothing more I can do. That's where I'll miss it anyway, but I'm happy for the winner. Yes. Right. In a bit, team. Stay out of trouble. Have a wonderful, wonderful night. And I'm going to play some Van Leswa music to disappear off onto. Van Leswa. Van Leswa. Here we go. Van Leswa.
Good at meeting, bad at building websites.
I decided, why have I got freaking ads? Amateur hour. Seriously. Here we go. This is more like it. In a bit, team. Stay out of trouble. And as always, peace, you freaking legends. In a bit, team. Peace.